Despite the uncertain times that we find ourselves living in, you can still celebrate Christmas in tax-free style, even if it does have to be a virtual office Christmas party. Although there is no specific allowance for a Christmas party or any other employer-provided social function, HMRC do allow limited tax relief against the cost of holding an annual event for employees, providing certain conditions are met. A staff event will qualify as a tax-free benefit if the following conditions are satisfied. The total cost must not exceed £150 per head per year. The event must be primarily for entertaining staff, and the event must be open to employee or to those at a particular location if the employer has numerous branches or departments. The exemption should therefore apply if, say, the employer meets the cost of meals delivered to each employee's home and the staff party is held virtually via video conferencing or similar. It could also include the cost of entertainment, for example, a musician or an online game. The cost per head of an event is the total cost, including VAT, of providing the event and any transport or accommodation provided for persons attending it, whether or not they are the employer's employees, divided by the number of those persons. Provided that a £150 limit is not exceeded, any number of parties or events may be held during the tax year. For example, there could be 3 parties held at various times, each costing £50 per head. That £150 is a limit, not an allowance. If the limit is exceeded by just £1, the whole amount must be reported to HMRC. If there are 2 parties, for example, where the combined cost of each exceeds £150, the £150 limit is offset against the most expensive one. The other one is a fully taxable benefit. Events for customers are not tax deductible for the business, but staff events generally are. The expenses will be shown separately in the business accounts, usually as staff welfare, costs or similar. There is no monetary limit on the amount that an employer can spend on an annual function. If a staff party costs more than £150 per head, the cost will still be an allowable deduction for the business, but the employees will have a liability to pay tax and national insurance contributions arising on the benefit in kind. The employer may agree to settle any tax charge arising on behalf of the employees. This may be done using a HMRC PAYE settlement agreement, which means that the benefits do not need to be taxed under PAYE or included on the employee's P11D. The employer's tax liability under the PSA must be paid to HMRC by the 19th of October following the end of the tax year to which the payment relates. The full cost of staff parties and/or events will be disallowed for tax if it is found that the entertainment of staff is in fact incidental to that of entertaining customers. VAT-registered businesses can claim back input VAT on the costs, but this may be restricted where this includes entertaining customers. The only difference is that the event may be virtual. To qualify as tax-free benefit, you might need to keep a record of attendance, as this isn't as clear as it would be as a physical event. Simply letting employees buy a take-out meal at separate times would not qualify. If it isn't possible to arrange an event, you might choose to use the trivial benefits rule. This allows an employer to provide a gift of up to £50, including VAT, with no tax benefit. The gift can't be cash or vouchers exchangeable for cash, but could, for example, be a hamper or wine. If you're feeling really generous, you could provide a party and a gift, but remember the limits are annual. If you would like to know any more, please get in touch with us. I hope that's useful. If you'd like to see any more videos where we answer lots of questions on tax and accounts, take a look at our YouTube channel. You can also subscribe for more videos.